Well, one of our favorite recipes from the original cookbook 14 years ago comes from the Honorable Peter MacKay. He was the Minister of almost everything: defense, foreign policy, security, and of course justice in the last Conservative government. And he also makes a mean lobster bisque. So what are the ingredients for the Maritime's favorite recipe? Well, a tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of canola oil, 2 onions that are finely diced, a half stalk of celery finely diced, 3 large carrots finely diced, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 head of garlic split in half, 1 tablespoon of peppercorns, 2 bay leaves, 2 ounces of brandy, 1 cup of white wine, and 5 tablespoons of flour. Now that's not it. We also have 1.5 liters of vegetable stock, a cup of 35% cream, 6 teaspoons of sour cream or whipped cream, shells and bodies from 3 lobsters, which would be really expensive right now, but I think probably well worth it if you're getting the lobsters from Maritime Canada, meat from 1 leftover lobster, a small bunch of fresh thyme, small bunch of fresh parsley, and sea salt and white pepper. And then, of course, add some French chives. So how do we make this? You heat the oil and butter in a large soup stock pot over medium-high, and the vegetables, cooking until caramelized about 8 to 10 minutes. Stir in the tomato paste and cook for 1 minute more before adding the lobster shells and brandy. Carefully flambe the brandy. I didn't know we did that in Atlantic Canada, but anyway, Peter calls for it. Add the white wine, scraping the brown bits of fond from the bottom of the pot, stirring until almost completely reduced. Sprinkle the flour into the pot and stir well, cooking for 2 to 3 minutes. Slowly add the stock, mixing so it has smooth and free lumps. Then drop in the garlic, bay leaves, thyme, parsley, and the peppercorns. Bring to a simmer and gently cook for 30 to 40 minutes, skimming away the foamy impurities that rise to the surface during cooking with a ladle as it simmers. Strain the bisque, reserving only the liquid. Return to a simmer. Add the cream and season with sea salt and white pepper to taste. Serve in a warm soup bowl, garnished with some of the lobster meat, fresh chives, and sour cream. Now, Peter leaves us a tip. Have all your ingredients prepared and ready to go before you begin. It allows you to concentrate on cooking and avoid the last-second scramble for forgotten ingredients. Sounds like that may have happened to him once or twice before. You can buy this recipe book on Amazon, or if you'd like to be part of the next book, you could submit it by following the link below or emailing lmac@lisamcleod.ca.